For battery replacement for Audio-Technica wireless microphones, we want you to take them back to Outdoor Issue or your instructor. For Sony wireless microphones, AA batteries are needed and they're easy to install. For the newest wireless microphones specifically purchased for iPad, tablet or cell phone use, 9-volt batteries, box-like, and these are fairly easy to install. Installing the batteries on the Audio-Technica, it's a lot more complicated and we'd rather you not break them. Okay, the Audio-Technica wireless microphones are probably the best and the most common wireless microphones we have. There's a receiver and a transmitter. Okay, the way you tell the difference is one says transmitter on it, the other one says receiver on it. But also, if you turn to the side, the receiver has a lot more sockets and the transmitter doesn't have any. Okay, so let's put together the receiver first. With the receiver, you need to have the antenna, and this usually comes detached in the bag. So you need to screw this in, and it's pretty easy to screw in. And there, don't screw it in too tight. Then you have this coiled cable for the microphone to the receiver to connect to the camcorder. You have that. And then you have the headphone jack so you can listen to the person being videotaped. Okay? So that's the receiver setup there. You've got the wireless microphone, receiver, the curly cable, and the headphones. On the transmitter, it's simple. All you have is the transmitter, and you have the actual mic. Okay? And when you put those together, then this is on the person being videotaped, this is on the camcorder. And when you videotape this, you want to, when you turn get this unit, you want to turn them on, and if it's on, a light should come on. And I'll turn this on as well, and that light comes on. Then, as I said before, they need to be on the same frequency. So I can check this by listening in here on the headphones, and I can hear my voice really clearly now. It's really kind of echoey here, but this is working fine. But you need to do that. So if it's staticky or you don't hear anything, check to make sure the power is good, check to make sure the frequency is right, and if that doesn't work, then you're probably going to need to ask somebody to replace the batteries. When you get done with videotaping, you want to turn both the transmitter and the receiver off. Make sure the lights are off, because these batteries are only good for about 10 hours. And if you leave them on overnight, the next person using them is not going to be able to use them. So you've got, these are the Audio-Technica wireless microphones. If we come around, well, I can show you, we have two other sets. We have the Sony wireless microphones, and these are with AA batteries. And these are a little bit different. Again, you have a receiver. Okay, so this would then connect into the camcorder. The difference with this is that this cable doesn't detach. It's always there. This is one part. So please don't pull this out, because it's not meant to do that. Then the other thing you have here is the headphones up on top. And with this one, you have 3 frequencies. So you turn it on, there, the light should come on, and then you've got to make sure that the frequency for the receiver is on channel 1, 2, or 3. And then similarly for the microphone is on channel 1, 2, or 3. Okay, so if you don't check the sound, if you don't hear an appropriate sound, it means probably they're on the wrong channel. I'm not hearing this now because it's not connected. There you go. All right, so even professors make mistakes. But I don't make the same mistake twice. All right, but that's what you've got to do. So make sure it's on the same channel and the lights are on. I can actually hear myself talking here. This microphone is more tinny. I don't like the Sony ones, my personal preference, but they work okay. All right. So those are the Sony ones. Again, when you're done, turn them off. The newest, brand newest ones we have are these WM Pro ones. And these are very similar to the Audio-Technica ones. These we bought because they specifically said that these connect to cell phones and tablets. Yeah, they do. Similar type of thing. You've got the power on, off. Well, actually, you've got an off frequency 1, frequency 2. Okay, this one here, the antenna is attached to do that. Okay, and then it has a output to the camcorder. And you can see that there's another attachment here. This is what came with this thing. This is a cable that you would attach to your tablet. And I'll show you a little bit more about that later. But this is the receiver section. And then the transmitter section is the same type of thing. So again, you have these camcorders here on frequency 2. That's on frequency 2. And you should be connecting together here. Okay?